Hi guys. So it's so hot right now. Like, I don't even know what the temperature is. I want to say 80s. And for where I live, ugh, that's very, very hot. I just knocked over the pallet. Oh, it says 65. There's no way it's 65 degrees. But anyways, as you can see, I've got a nice backdrop now. So today, oh, just kidding, it updated 73 degrees and smoke. Because Canada's having fires, Eastern Washington's having fires, Portland is having, Oregon is having fires, and I am right in the middle of all of that. Yeah, so Portland, Eastern, and Canada are having fires, so Washington is just kind of, or where I live is just kind of right in the middle of all of that. But anyways, besides that, today I have another review video. It is of the Melissa Michelle Ulta Beauty palette. I've had this for a little over a month or two. This is what it looks like. I did take out the sponge applicator because I don't like sponge applicators. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and it has 5 mats, which are, I'm like looking, okay, so it's got 5 mats, which are these right there. There are 2 shimmer shadows, and then 2 metallic, and then 3 creamy glitters. So yeah, that's the palette we're gonna be reviewing today. So I'm also gonna put on my base makeup, I guess, with like foundation and all of that jazziness. so I have finished my base makeup, you know. Now I get to go out and catfish because I really don't look anything like I did before. And sorry if it's like you can hear anything squeaky. I'm sitting on a rolly chair, and that's why my backdrop is moving every time I do that. Leah, stop. So anyways, I'm going to be using this Essential palette today in collaboration with Ulta. I'm still in my bathroom, so if you like see that, that's my bathroom. Yeah, so we are going to go straight off in with Rotor Man. By the way, I have no idea what the names of these shadows mean. Also, I'm using this Ulta Beauty eyeshadow brush, and it's just flat. It's not an actual eyeshadow. I guess I'm just going to use this brush. It's just kind of flat. Not really. It's like a rectangled fluffy brush, I guess. I don't really know. We're going to start. I need to stop doing that. We're going to start with, I think, 100%, I guess. Kind of tap some of that excess off. Ooh, that's a really nice kind of peachy, no, not pink, purpley pink shade. Shade Florida on a angled fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take the shade Oi. Not sure, it's O-Y-Y. Not sure. I'll tell you, I have no idea. But I'm going to take the same brush that I was just using and do that, tap into that shade there. I'll be getting gorgeously tan in summer. Go. Okay, I think I'm pretty okay with the way the eyes turned out. I don't think my edges could be blended out again, so I'm going to take just a little shade to just blend out the edges. Sometimes I just forget who I am and blend it like all the way up to my brow bone. Oh, something's doing I am going insane, go, but I'm together, it just makes sense. Okay, just because it's irritating me so much. Just take a little concealer. go. That looks a little bit better, I guess. About that crease a little bit more. Okay, there we go. I'm afraid there's gonna be follow because, like, look. It's not really focusing, but it's like a really, really powdery. Yep, there we go. Can you see it? This is so dark. Can you see how dark it is? I hate it. I hate it so much. I'm done with that. I'm gonna stop touching it. Okay. Now for the brow bone in the inner corner, I'm gonna take Hey Guys. Maybe I should try one of their other shadows. I'm gonna take Bro. Ooh, wait, what's this one? Manifest is kind of cute. It's kind of cool when I put it on my finger and wipe it on the wall. This is not a creamy glitter. This is a actual glitter. Do you see that? Like, this is an actual glitter packed into it. Like, I just ruined it. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so I have not even put mascara on. I don't even think it makes a difference, but I don't like it. I mean, the mattes are good, and then the other glitters that I did not try, like this one was Dude. Like, that one's an actual creamy shadow. I think, no, Besties is not the other one. Oh, maybe it is. But those are those two. It's Dudes and Besties. Those ones are good, but okay. So the glitters I don't like because the formula is disgusting is Manifest and Bro. Yeah, because it's literally just straight glitter. Like, you can barely swatch them. Like, look, that's disgusting. I hate that. And then Hey Guys and Twinsies is a really loose pigment, and you're gonna have to wet your brush no matter what, and because you're gonna get fallout no matter what, which is really unfortunate, and now I have glitter all over my fingers. But the mattes I really liked. So I guess my last thing to review is this glitter liquid liner in D-Dang, but there's 2 A's. So, okay. So this is the applicator. Sure, there's a little bit of bend to it, but it's also really, really thick. So I'm just gonna kind of scoop in and do this. I hate it. It's getting all over my eyelashes. Like, I can't even get a straight line with this. Let's, I guess, just wipe some of it off and attempt to do it better on the other eye. You're not even kidding. I hated it. This stuff is cold too, which is not even my fault. Like, it was in there. The only thing I really liked about out of that was a couple of the shimmers and the mattes. Other than that, I mean, to be fair, it was only $20, but I guess I can put mascara on. I don't even know where my mascara is. I don't even think I have mascara in here. I don't. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You don't really have to comment. It's just, I guess, the thing. Oh my gosh, I just opened my eyeballs and it wasn't even dry on this eye. Like, it just got it there. Okay. Anyways, I feel like I'm just a little pale looking. There we go. Anyways, I mean, it's $20 and only using the mattes. It's $20 for 5 mattes, which is okay. The eyeliner is not dry on this eye, and this was the eye I applied to first. So, that's that.